guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I do another video, but today not miniature DIY, but today I do 3 gift idea for Christmas. Hope you enjoy it. Sorry if I posting this late because I'm so busy and I do my previous DIY. It takes so long, and then the stuff I using today just arrived today. Okay, enjoy my video. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. This for my gift idea number 1. Jewelry case, a lot of jewelries. You can see a bunch of them. So I will put everything inside this candy container, acrylic candy container. It's so good quality. I already unwrapped all of them. Have 13 of them. You can see how pretty they are. The Heart of Sea from Titanic movie. See, it's double layer. Yeah, hopefully we put all the jewelry inside the case, except these 3 cannot fit. You can see I cannot close them. So my advice, if you want the jewelry inside box and put it together, okay, I already put them because not enough, and if I put more, people cannot choose them, right? So they can take one of them. Just one like that, something like this. Take one. So it's more fun, you know, than you give like this, and they will ask, you have another design? Of course they will say that you have another one, you have a different color, I don't like this one. So if they pick by themselves like lucky draw, they cannot say anything. They say, can I change? You said no, because you the who pick it. Okay, you can say that. Okay, next. Guys, I just got idea how to still use this even cannot close, right? Easy. This one too, I will self-tip them. How do I do that? Yeah. Like that. Yahoo! Still can. Come on. Just get close, really close. Oh, okay. Oh no. Doesn't matter. Only here. Okay, here you go. Okay guys, everything inside. Just the one that cannot fit, just sellotape them. Okay guys, our second DIY, second gift idea is using hamster ball, or you can say ornament ornament ball. Just put what you want inside. Both sides, I guess. I'm not sure. Like, just try. This perfume, W, dress room, New York. Morning rain is the helm. Apricot and peach blossom is Jungkook. So I will put this all that. Okay. The box. It's hard. Okay, I already put inside the transparent box. Hold on. Put inside the paper bag. See, really fit. You can see. Okay guys, this one the last gift idea. What you need is Eva foam, this soft foam, ice. Actually, this one, the big one, 40 mm. Only this one, the biggest one. He said he sell. So if you guys need to make sure you guys bought the big one, more big than this, and this. For reindeer nose. This one I bought from Daiso. Marker and plain paper bag. This one I bought from Mr. DIY. Okay, let's start our DIY. Okay, I already draw the stencil. Freehand drawing. You can print the stencil if you don't. You like and just use freehand, the simple one. I'm not confident to draw inside here, so I draw 8 plain paper first, then just cut and then trace it. Cut and trace. You guys already cut out the stencils. Just draw one, okay? If you draw 2 of them, another one will become different. So finish, then just touch up them. Carefully. Okay guys, I freshly cut them. You can buy ready-made corn. Their horns. Paper bag. You can put anything you want inside here. Yes, but I found these 3 ideas perfect for Christmas. Hope you enjoy it. Bye bye.